Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you the only way to effectively use Zen UV Blender 2025. First, ensure Zen UV is correctly installed within your Blender 2025 add-ons, easily accessible from the end panel. Before beginning, always confirm your 3D mesh is properly prepared for unwrapping. Clean, well-optimized topology is absolutely essential for achieving the best possible UV results. This initial setup lays a solid foundation for a smooth workflow and prevents common issues later on. With Zen UV installed and your mesh ready, navigate to the Zen UV panel in your Blender viewport. Select your 3D object and then click the Smart Unwrap button. This powerful feature intelligently analyzes your mesh and generates an initial UV layout automatically. Remember to adjust the packing margin setting to 0.005. This ensures a small, consistent gap between your UV islands, preventing texture bleeding without wasting excessive space in your UV atlas. It's a crucial first step for efficient packing. After the initial Smart Unwrap, it's vital to examine the generated UV islands closely within the UV editor. Look for any visible overlaps, stretching, or unwanted distortions. Zen UV provides excellent tools for refinement. Use the Draw Seams tool to intuitively add new seams where needed, or to clear any automatically generated ones that are causing problems. For specific areas, select those problematic islands and simply click Unwrap, selected to reprocess them with precision, ensuring optimal UV distribution. Once your UV islands are refined and unwrapped to your satisfaction, the next critical step is efficient packing. Select all your UV islands in the UV editor and then activate the Pack Islands function. Crucially, set the padding value to 4 pixels. This precise setting prevents texture bleeding at the edges when rendered. Zen UV's advanced packing algorithm is designed to maximize your UV space, often achieving impressive efficiency rates exceeding 85%, ensuring optimal use of your texture resolution. This step finalizes your layout effectively. With your UVs meticulously unwrapped and packed, you're ready to export the layout for texturing. Navigate to the UV menu in the UV editor and select Export UV Layout. For standard texture maps, save your layout as a PNG file with a resolution of 2048 x 2048 pixels. This provides ample detail for most projects. Finally, always take a moment to double-check your finalized UVs in your preferred 3D painting software. This last verification step helps catch any subtle issues before committing to your texturing process.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.